Well, it's early, it's wet, and I'm tired.
Come on down to the dawn of the world. Let's take that path through the atmosphere and give 4,000 answers to all of your questions, and maybe it will all become clear.
I've got Noah here who's trying to lick my fingers. Ugh. Yeah, it's 10 to 9. Sorry, 10 to 10. Sorry, I'm just doing a video for yesterday. Excuse me, pardon. Could you just stretch that across me, why don't you? Come on. But I give up. Nah, I've got a dog stuck on me. Yeah, 10 to 10. I'm gonna back to have some breakfast. Got some eggs. I love eggs on toast. I love a good old runny yolk. If I had more than one egg, or I got an egg cup somewhere, but I would have like egg and soldiers. But I think the egg, I don't know. Last time I tried it, the eggs were too small for the egg cup, and they just and so I just had to have like a tissue in my hand. No. But these are the large eggs, so they should be alright. Yeah, so excuse me. Get off to have some breakfast. Weather's quite dull today. Still got the curtains closed as well. I just haven't actually opened them yet. I've only just realised they're still shut because it's still quite bright in here. Yeah, so get to me brekkie. Do not wake. Oh. Do not wake the puppy, but he woke himself. Hello, buddy. Hello. Sit. Good shot. No. I kind of failed a little bit. More. Lick. Right, I'm just going to do a test. This usually works. See, no birds. Look. Lots of birds. All that because of 10 little chunks of bread. Would you believe it?
Noah, say hello to the camera. Say hello, Noah. Come on, say hello. Noah.
It's like, the floor.
I want to walk the floor. Yeah. Come on, look in the camera. You have fans to look at. Oh, you're heavy.
No, I was going to say maybe on the...
No. Yeah, I better let him off. Now it's fine.
No, get them to look.
I'm full of hair now. Nowadays I'm not filming that much lately for vlogs, because well, I work, so that's an obvious thing, and in the evening I really don't feel like doing much stuff. I like lazy in the evening, right Lynn?
Yeah.
I just wanted to make an in-between thing here to recommend a very cool YouTube channel I like to watch, and hopefully to motivate him to post a little more. Well, first of all, I really agree with all his moaning he does. Complaining about stuff around the world, which I really like watching. I love watching him do his stuff. So yeah, there's probably somewhere, oh, I'm already pointing stuff, but there'll probably be a link there in the pants down there. PJL TV or PJ.
Yeah, PJL TV.
Yeah, from the brother of a friend of Linda. If you want hear some quality skits he does that. So click on that link down below after you've watched this, and hopefully you'll enjoy it just as much as I do.
Yeah, just off to bed. It's average day. Slightly boring weather, not really warm, not too cold, in between. Yes, don't know what to say really. A bit tired. Been watching some Star Trek on the laptop tonight. Watching Noah. Good night.
Come on down to the dawn of the world. Let's take that path through the atmosphere and give 4,000 answers to all of your questions, and maybe it will all become clear.